If you want to cancel your Square free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is closed before any charges occur. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Visit the Square website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Find subscription information. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. This is where you can view your current subscription status and details about your free trial. Step 4. Select Cancel Free Trial. Within the subscription information, you should see an option to cancel your free trial. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After you have completed the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email from Square. Check your email to ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Square free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Square's customer support for assistance.